What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Lexus is350. Today we're going to check the cabin filter on this car. Go over to your passenger side, open the glove box up. We're going to remove this tray. Okay, this tray just pops up and then you can pull it right out just like that. Okay, just held in with these little slots. Okay, now there's this door that we're going to go ahead and open up, and all this is we're going to push these little tabs up and the door will come off. Okay, cabin filter's in this compartment here. We're going to take this door off. So there's this tab here. We're going to push in and then we're going to pull it towards us. Okay, same thing with this side over here. We'll push in and pull it towards us. Okay, now the cabin filter's going to come out in this big retainer, and this one doesn't need to be changed, but if you need a filter, I'm going to leave the part number in the description and a link that takes you to Amazon where you can buy one. But this one is like brand new, so we're not changing it. We're just showing you what you got. But you're going to reuse the holder, and all you're just going to do is just pull out the filter and put the new one in it. Just notice here that this says up. Okay, when you get your new one, just make sure you put the new filter in just like this one. But it's really simple. Just go put this back and it'll click right back in place. And it'll click right back into place. And then you get the door and it goes to the top first, these little slots. And then we'll just push it on down. Okay. And then the tray, I'm gonna put the right side in first. Okay, and then we'll push it down like that. And we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like, subscribe, comment.